Today we're writing free verse poetry. Free verse poetry is poetry about anything. It has no rhythm or pattern. Words can be put together in all sorts of ways. For free verse poetry, you take an interesting object and write about it. Like seashell. Treasure of the sea, smooth and shiny, pearly. The author took a seashell and wrote what they see and think about it. Here's another one. Goldfish. Tail swishing, eyes staring, swimming gracefully, looking for a friend. Today, you will pick a topic or an object and write a poem about it. Then you will insert the poem using the camera feature. If you finish, keep writing more poems. This is the page you will insert your poem to.